Hello, Chris from UXCam here. Today I am going to introduce you to our session replay feature. Once you've selected a session to analyze, you'll land on the session replay page. We've broken this interface down into 5 main sections to help you understand your user's experience. First, the session header. Here you see the user ID, location, and date. Crucially, if the user experienced a crash or UI freeze, you'll see an alert right here. Click the alert to jump straight to the logs. Second, the data tabs. The activity tab is your timeline of every gesture and screen visit. You can even click the external link icon to jump directly to a heat map. Use the session info tab for device properties and the notes and logs tabs to collaborate with your team or debug technical issues. Third, the playback toolbar. Control your speed here. We highly recommend turning on skip inactivity to breeze through idle time. Pro tip: want to see what this specific user did next? Use the previous and next arrows to follow their entire journey across different sessions without leaving the page. Fourth, the session timeline. This bar tracks progress, but look out for markers. You'll see icons for rage taps, UI freezes, and the blue E for custom events. Hover over them to see exactly what happened. Finally, event analysis. Clicking a custom event marker jumps you to that spot in the Activity tab. From here, you can click Analyze to instantly generate reports like event trends and device breakdowns, or click Watch Sessions to see other users performing this same action. That's the session replay interface. Dive in, start watching, and uncover the why behind your user's behavior.